Hi everybody, welcome back to Jenny's Random. Welcome back to another plan with me. We are going to be planning in my faith planner, and today is Monday, so I'm quite late in planning. But such is life. I just felt like hopping on camera. I had a long day at work, so we are going to get right into it. So I pulled out this oldie but goodie. This is a kit I purchased from the Happy Planner. I did a Happy Planner haul last July, in fact. Oh no, maybe it wasn't July. I think it was longer than that. But they had come out with this Disney kit, and I believe it was called, what was this called? I'm not sure what this was called, but anyway, it comes with 4 months of planning inside, and I wanted to change from that. I'm sorry if y'all can hear New York happening outside, but you know, New York is being New York right now. You hear airplanes, sirens, all the goodies. I can't cut it out. Anyway, it comes with 4 months of planning, which includes weeklies. I got it upside down. This video is ghetto already, and I'm not cutting an ounce out. So it comes with monthlies, which are quite nice. I think I may use the monthly next month as well. I'm not sure. But I wanted to do, I wanted the binding to not be that leopard color that I have in my planner right now. So I don't know if I should do vertical or if I should freestyle it. It also came with some extra note paper. So if I did a freestyle weekly layout, that's upside down. This is what it would be. It would have the lined paper here, and then a grid and this section up here, which I like. But the stickers I'm using, it's a long vertical sticker that I want to use, but it wouldn't, I don't know if it's going to do what I need it to do. So I think I'm going to go with the vertical. So let me get all this out the way and I'll come back. All right, yeah, I had to fix my lighting a little bit. I was getting a shadow that I did not notice. Anyway, so here we go. We're going to do a vertical layout. And I picked up a sticker pack on Etsy as usual. And I got this one. This is just some elephants. I forget the name of the sticker kit officially, but I'll leave a link down below as usual. And it's just a 2-page sticker kit. And I wanted to use this. I wanted something easy. I wanted to do a simple layout this week. I'm not feeling like getting all super fancy with my planner. So, and when I say that, usually it comes out fancy. So we'll see what happens here. So this is the kit I picked up, and I am delighted to use this. And I'm also going to be using this sticker book for Harvest. Just because I don't know if I had enough florals. I did want it. When I picked up this kit, I envisioned doing a freestyle layout. So I envisioned using grid paper, like the whole thing grid dot, no particular specific layout like dashboard, vertical as I have now, but I couldn't find that paper, so we're just gonna go with that. Or the paper I do have for that has a red binding, and the red binding will not look good either, so I went with the blue. So this is going to be a watch me work style video, and if you want to see what look I get out of this, keep watching. All right, y'all, this is what I have for this week. This came out so pretty. Oh my goodness. Fun fact, this took me 40 minutes to do. I said I wanted it to be short, but it took 40 minutes, and most of that was just trying to peel these doggone stickers off of the backing. This is why it's good to use my Cricut, but I just was too lazy, absolutely too lazy to pull the Cricut out and, you know, have it cut it out for me. But I thought I was going to use more stickers out of here, but no, I love the way this, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So nice. Okay, so y'all already know, that this month is all about trust in the word, trust in God. So this really spoke to me. It says, sometimes the smallest step in the right direction is the biggest step of your life. Tiptoe if you must, but take the steps. So take the step you need to do. Take the steps you need to take to trust in the word and trust in God that is on God, okay? And here it just says, joy is in the beauty that blooms from a heart of gratitude. I don't know what happened to the end of it. Did I fold the sticker? I don't know. It came out funky. And then the boxes came out a little sketchy because I printed them off of my phone. So I was, y'all, when I say I was lazy this week, I was absolutely lazy this week. And I'm not even going to flip back and embarrass myself and show you how lazy I was last week. All right. I did write scripture, but child, that's about all I did. So this came out so nice. But yeah, no, I was discussing the printing. So I printed it from my phone and I didn't play with the scaling and, you know, adjusting the sizes appropriately for the planner. So I made it fit how it fit. And I love the way it came out. This section here is going to be for my sermon notes. I could have took the easy route and put it over here, but I just felt like having my sermon notes on this side. And I love the way it came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you love this kit. If you have the opportunity, click the link below and check out this kit for yourself. It was fairly cheap. I think I only paid like $2 for it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching my video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Gotta choose me. I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you,